Waterproofing water-bearing positive side surfaces with Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat as a brush-on application. Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat is suitable for sufficiently aged and cured virgin mortar, screed, concrete and plaster of recognized building mix standards, good quality virgin cement and clay bricks, good quality paint, virgin clay tiles and drywall partitioning. All surfaces should be rigid to avoid cracking. Surface preparation. Masonry surfaces. Ensure that masonry surfaces are free of any negative moisture. Should this not be the case, the surfaces must first be treated with Coprox masonry waterproofing or, if necessary, plastered with Coprox waterproof cement additive added to the plaster mix before proceeding with the application. Surfaces such as boundary and retaining walls must be treated in this manner before the application commences. Remove any efflorescence whilst dry using a stiff bristle scrubbing brush. Painted surfaces. The surface should be a good quality paint. As with masonry surfaces, ensure no negative moisture is present. If negative moisture is present, then the surfaces must be treated in the same manner as required for masonry surfaces. Remove any loose or peeling paint. High gloss and enamel paints should be sanded. Painted surfaces must be completely dry before application commences. Drywall partitioning. Cover drywall partitioning joints with suitable jointing tape and then prime the entire surface with a suitable oil-based primer. All surfaces must be free of dust, dirt and other foreign matter. Application. Do not apply to exterior surfaces if rain is imminent, during high winds or freezing temperatures. Mixing. Pour 10 litres of clean water into a clean plastic container. Then sprinkle 25 kilograms of Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat slowly into the clean water, stirring constantly until smooth and free of lumps. Use immediately. To prevent settling, stir frequently throughout the application. To ensure adequate adhesion of the Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat, the various surfaces require different keying agents. Masonry surfaces are keyed with clean water, and the Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat is applied while the surface is still wet. Good quality paint does not require a keying agent, and the Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat is applied directly onto the dry paint. In the case of drywall partitioning, the Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat is applied onto the dry oil-based primer. First coat. Key the surface. Then liberally apply the Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat to the keyed section using a suitable brush. The brush type will determine the texture of the application. Ensure that all depressions, fine cracks and pinholes are covered. Once the Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat visibly begins to dry, cure the application by evenly wetting it with a fine mist spray. Repeat this procedure one or more times to minimize crazing and powdering. In hot climates or high temperatures, cure the application more frequently. Should a second coat be required, apply the second coat 6 to 8 hours or more after curing the first coat. Simply wet the first coat with water and apply the second coat in the same manner as before. When being used for decorative purposes, bathrooms, showers and kitchens should be sealed with Coprox wall and floor clear sealer to prevent staining. For the use of Coprox Waterproof Dualcoat as a decorative application, please view the decorating module contained elsewhere in this presentation.